Hello everyone, hopes all of you are fine. In the last lecture we have discussed about introduction to biochemistry. In this lecture, as I have already told you in the previous lecture, that we will discuss about what is biochemistry used for, or we can say uses of biochemistry in different fields. So number one use of biochemistry is that biochemistry is used to learn about the biological processes. We will learn about biological processes through biochemistry. As I have already told you, biochemistry tells us about different chemical and metabolic processes that are taking place in our body. So biochemistry is used to learn about biological processes which takes place in cells and living organisms. Number two, biochemistry may be used to study the properties of biological molecules. We will study the properties of biological molecules in biochemistry. For example, a biochemist may study the characteristics of the keratin in hair so that a shampoo may be developed that enhances curliness or softness. Number third use of biochemistry is that biochemists find uses for biomolecules. For example, a biochemist may use a certain lipid as a food additive. Okay, we have discussed in the previous lecture about major or macro biomolecules that were carbohydrates, proteins and lipids, and here they have given the example that biochemist may use a certain lipid as a food additive. Next use of biochemistry is that biochemist can help cells to produce new products. Gene therapy is within the realm of biochemistry. Gene therapy is used. The development of biological machinery falls within the realm of biochemistry. Fifth one is that biochemistry has been explaining the mechanism of many physiological processes. Biochemistry explains the mechanism of many physiological processes which were unknown in mystery. Then physiology, pharmacology, bacteriology and pathology and even therapeutics have been greatly benefited from new discoveries in biochemistry. Which field have been benefited? Physiology, pharmacology, then bacteriology and pathology. Also therapeutics. All of these 5 fields have been benefited from biochemistry. In this lecture we have studied about some of the uses of biochemistry. Remaining uses of biochemistry we will study in the next lecture.